Today I'm going to talk about the Assured cotton swabs. So these are 100% cotton. They're soft and hygienic, and there are 350 swabs in this container. And they can be used for a variety of things. Like, I like to use them to apply my eyeshadow instead of a harsh brush or an expensive brush. These are fine because you can just, instead of having to wash a brush, you can just use these, and there are so many of them. So I like to apply my makeup with them, even my lip gloss sometimes. And you can use them to apply ointments or to clean your ears or even to remove your nail polish to get into those nooks and crannies of your nails. And what's nice is they're also double-sided, so they come in this box, as you can see, and I will recycle this box when it is empty. There are so many in here, but I've opened this flap. Here you go, pretty straightforward. They are blue and 100% cotton on each side, and then this is blue, like the stick in the middle. So really nice, double-sided. You can use them, like, they last a lot longer that way because you don't just use it once and then throw it away. You can use it twice or more, whatever you do. And they're soft on both ends, and they feel just really comfortable. Like, they're just so soft, and my skin loves them. And they're disposable, so you can just throw them away when you're done. And they're not scented, so if you're looking for something that is really scented, which I don't understand because they're disposable Q-tips, but to each their own, then I wouldn't get these. But if you're just looking for some simple Q-tips that are soft and that work, this is what I would go to. It's a great addition to my first aid kit, and I even add them to my travel kits and my purse. I always have some Q-tips on me somewhere. I don't necessarily carry them in my pocket, but I could, and that would be just fine because of their size. So it really depends on what you're using them for, but they're great if you need to add it to your first aid kit, and you can wipe down your electronics like your keyboard and get rid of dust and things like that. So, you know, pretty easy to use. And there are so many different ways to use them. They basically are so straightforward, and they're just so easy to use. They come in this cardboard and plastic packaging. So as you can see, there are plenty of them. I'm not worried about this at all, or running out for quite some time. I don't use them every day, but I use them, I think I bought this like a week or two ago. So it hasn't been that long, obviously, and there's still a lot in there. And I don't think I'm going to go through them all right away. So very simple, straightforward packaging, easy to access. It's great if you have kids because they're so soft. So they're just a great utensil to use if you're trying to, you know, take care of your kid somehow. Great for their skin, especially if they have sensitive skin. These are great for people with sensitive skin like myself. I'm always getting rashes and stuff like that. I'm so sensitive with my skin, so I love these for that reason as well. They're also good for arts and crafts projects. If you Google cotton swabs, arts and crafts, then you'll find so many really cool projects you can do with this and science experiments with your kids. And I used to use my finger to put on my eyeshadow and my makeup, and I just realized that having a utensil is just so much better. And I can really use the narrow edges to have some detail and more depth in my crease. And I recycle this box, so it makes me feel better for the environment, at least. It's made in China, and these ones are imported by Greenbrier International Inc. So I would definitely look into Greenbrier's products because they have so many different types of products. It's not limited to one category. And definitely check out these cotton swabs. Thanks so much for watching.